Hey guys, it's me Rahul and I'm back with another short video. In this video, I will show you how to hide folders in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's say you have this folder here. So what you want to do right now is you just have to right click. And if you are in Windows 11, what you need to do is you can right click and go to properties directly. Or what you can do is in Windows 10, the option will be something like this. Then you have to click on properties and this window will pop up, and then you have to go to make sure it is on the general tab, and you can see on the attributes section there is a hidden checkbox, right? The checkbox is called hidden. So you click on that, you basically check it, then click on apply, then click on OK. And it might still be there, but it's a little bit grayed out, right? So what you need to do is, if you are on Windows 11, you have to click on view, then click on show, and make sure the hidden items is unchecked. So now it will say this folder is empty. So what you want to do if you want to see that folder again? So what you need to do is go to view again, click on show and click on hidden items. And let's say you are on Windows 10, so you won't have this view option. So what you need to do is there will be something called a view there, view tab there. Then you have to go to the folder options, right? So it will be something like this. You can click here, and in Windows 10, it will be something called folder option. From there, click on view. Then you have to check the show hidden files, folders and drives. So if you want to hide it, you just have to click don't show hidden files, folders or drives, and click on apply, then click on OK. And ta-da, it is gone. So that's how you hide and unhide folders in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thank you.